Hello everyone, my name is Aradom, and today I'm going to show you how to create a clock interface using Python and using turtles. So let's just get right into this. So on the screen you can actually see I already have the code already written up, and then I already have the output already over here on this side. On the left side you can actually see it. So to make things simpler, I'm just going to go over it line by line so we can understand what code that I wrote over here, what it causes on the output. So the first thing that we need to do is we need to initialize it. So we start by typing import turtle. That means this lets us use the turtle, lets us use graphics and everything like that. So the second thing that I did was over here you can see I made a screen so that our turtle image would have a nice looking screen out here. And after that I used background color, and I set up the background color to look or to have a magenta color, as you can see. And then obviously to make things look good, I added a title saying homework turtle clock over here. And after that I set up the size of my box, 500 pixels by 500 pixels. All these little things just makes whatever you're doing look professional and look nice. And after that I initialized the pen. That means this line over here lets us use the pen function. So that means we can write on it, like meaning the turtle can actually write. And after that I chose the shape of the turtle, that is this little turtle right here. So shape, and then I typed in turtle. Turtle's already built into this right here. So when we type in turtle, it would automatically understand it just the way we type in, for instance, magenta, the color. It would automatically recognize it. And I already chose the color of my turtles. They're gonna be blue right here, these ones. And then stamp, that function, it lets us use or let us make stamps, meaning like a print. Like you see this right here, that's a stamp, this is a stamp, this is a stamp. Okay, so basically all of this is just initializing the environment. We got our box ready to go, the background color, the turtles, the color, the size, and everything set up. So the next portion of what we're gonna do is just we're gonna start drawing turtles so that they would look like a clock. Okay, so for this project, what we're gonna use is we're gonna use the for loop. So we type in for, and then you can put any variable over here in the range of 12. So the reason that I chose 12 is because a clock is a circle. Basically it has 360 degrees, and then we use 12 hours to kind of notify that. So when we divide 360 by 12, we get 30. So that means 30 is the amount of degree between the two hours, meaning the amount of degree between 12 and 1 over here is 30 degree. So that's why we also use this 30 over here as a variable, like as a distance between our initial point and then the second point. So it's going to be 30, 30, 30, and all around it's going to go until 360. Okay, so we're going to make our turtle right here. So we're going to make it move, or right here we have a pen up. That means our pen is up. So whenever the turtle is moving, it's not drawing any line or any kind of picture. Okay, so pen up, turtle's up, and then the purple moves forward 50 pixels. So turtle's over here, pen up, so we're not writing anything, and it moves 50 pixels and stops right over here, right? So after that we go to pen down. That means the pen is basically technically on a paper. So whatever you're going to do after that is going to be visualized in our function. Okay, so pen up, we move 50 pixels, and after that pen down, and then we're going to start writing, and then after the pen down, it's going to go 25 pixels that way. So that 25 pixel is that little line that we have over here. So after we do that, again, we're going to use the pen up function, so we're not going to be writing anything, right? And then it's going to move another 15 pixels. So that's that line over here, that space, that gap that didn't have anything over it, that's the 15 pixels. So after it got that 15, after it goes at that 15 pixels, then we stamp it, meaning we put a turtle on it. So that's the turtle over here. Perfect. So after it does the turtle, it's going to return to home, meaning it's going to go back to its home right here. It's going to go back all the way without writing anything. So after that, the turtle is going to move right, and then it's going to move right by using that move variable that we created over here, which is 30 pixels. So or 30 degrees if you want to look at it that way. So we just did one for this one, and then it's going to do the whole cycle, the whole loop, but this time it's going to move 30 degrees to the right. Okay, so it's going to move 30 degrees to the right, and then it's going to do the same thing. So it's going to do the same thing over here, and then after that, our move variable over here, we already made it so that, the move variable, it started with 30, and then it's going to, once the cycle is over, it's going to add another 30, meaning it's going to take it to 60. So from the beginning point to the new point, the current point, it's going to be 60. So next loop is going to be 90. Next loop is going to be 120, and it goes on until it hits 360, and then the turtle will be done drawing. So basically, that's the simplest way to put on how to create a clock interface, or the visual part of the clock. I mean, we're not adding any kind of functions to it. Maybe we'll do that later on, but for now, we're just basically having that good-looking interface over here. Basically, that is it. We just use our for loop to do everything, and then I'm just gonna run it so that we can see how it's gonna look. Boom, boom. You see, starts over here, do, and it goes all the way over here. Stops. Well, that's how you create an interface. Thank you very much, and this is Aradon. Have a good day. Bye.